Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to claim gifted membership on YouTube. When someone gifts your channel memberships during a live stream or premiere, YouTube lets other viewers claim those gifts, but you need to opt in first. Just open YouTube on your phone or computer and go to the live stream or premiere where memberships are being gifted. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Now, before you can receive a gifted membership, you must turn on the feature. In the chat box, look for an Allow Gifts option or a gift notification message. Click Allow Gifts to opt in, and if you don't use it, just click the Join button on the channel. Then, More About Memberships, then toggle Allow Gifts to On. Once this enabled, you become eligible to receive gift memberships from other viewers. Now, when someone gifts memberships, YouTube automatically distributes them randomly among eligible viewers who have Allow Gifts turned on. If you're selected, you'll see a notification in live chat and receive an email confirming your new membership. Once your gift is claimed, you instantly gain channel badges and emojis, access to member-only posts, and other exclusive perks set by the creator. Gifted memberships usually last 1 month, after which they expire automatically unless you choose to continue with a paid membership. To review your active or past memberships, go to youtube.com/paid memberships. Log in with your account and you'll see all your active, expired, and gifted memberships. You've successfully now claimed a gifted YouTube membership and unlocked exclusive perks from your favorite creator. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.